Alright, next up, 2-liter bottle versus... Well, we'll take out the Glock 81. Here you go, the Glock 81. We'll see if this can do any kind of damage to it. This knife hasn't been sharpened, but I haven't gotten around to it. Still sharp enough to cut paper. And the foam board very easily, so let's see. Hey, and I broke the foam board in half. Yay! But the bottle is still intact. We'll try this again one more time. See if I can hit it with more of the tip. Nope. Getting my fat ass, but hey, you get to watch me do it. Bend over. Yeah. One last shot. There we go. That time I got it to split. I'm better backhanded than I am the other way around, but there you go. It split down there quite well. Try this again a little bit lower. Ooh, and I just nicked it. Bad swing. Oh, quite disappointing. But hey, I don't know how well this would do since it's not a very sharp knife to begin with, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Alright.